Welcome back to my channel. I am organizationally Charlie today. But anyways, I jumped on Amazon to order two things, a spice rack and also some spice containers. My spice cabinet is a little bit unorganized, so I just wanted to get it a little bit more straightened out. So just follow along with me if you want to see how I organize my spices. Alrighty, so 2 days later, I believe I received my boxes from Amazon, and I am here just opening them up, looking at them. This acrylic spice rack is pretty dope, very modern. I love the look. It's going to go well with the kitchen, so I'm happy about that. And the spice jars came with individual stickers to label each one with, and look there, I believe there were 36 pieces that I ordered. So here I am just going to clean up the jars really quick, wash them out with some soap and some warm water. And the lid is dual-sided to adjust how much you want to come out, a little bit to minimize or a lot to put extra sugar in your coffee. But anywho, this is what the container looks like. Pretty big, a pretty standard size container. So just make sure you clean them up really good, and I'm telling where these containers been sitting at. And it also comes with this blue funnel. It is flexible and it folds down, and it's soft and squishy feeling. So I just let you guys watch me do my thing and go through all these containers. So enjoy. So this is an up close view of the label sheet. How cute, right? Can't get your spices mixed up, not with these labels. Now the labels are pretty flexible, guys. Once you go to stick it on there, if you need to pick it back up to adjust it, it will do it for you a few times, as long as you don't apply too much heavy pressure on there. So that's great to know, to make sure all your labels are aligned perfectly on each bottle. I decided to save the labels for last, so that way I can put them on there pretty quickly. It shouldn't be a problem as long as you remember what you put in each spice jar. Here I am just showing the versatility of the spice rack, guys. It's so cute. I mean, it's cute. It's clear, it's acrylic, it extends to double the size if you would like it to. I don't have that many spice jars, but to those who cook like crazy, you might can fill it up, but I definitely cannot. I probably used probably about 30 of the jars that came in the box, so I have 6 left over. But yeah, it's so cute. Just start filling up your tray, guys, and get to decorating your countertops. Why you keeping me waiting? How beautiful is this? I mean, who wouldn't want to see this sitting on top of their counter? I mean, come on, let's get it together. Yes, I am so in love. It actually makes me want to cook a little bit more, but I ain't doing all of that, not just yet. But thank you guys for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please comment down below. Make sure you subscribe and share. Thank you, love you all. Have a blessed evening. Love, peace, and hair grease.